Hi everyone, Mrs. Haw here again. You've learned two ways to tell how someone is feeling by looking at the clues on their face or body. Remember, we can look at their eyes, their eyebrows or forehead, their cheeks, or even their mouth or body to see how a person might be feeling. You can also determine how someone's feeling by looking at the situation. Yep, focusing your attention on what happened might be a clue to why a person may be reacting or doing what they're doing or how they feel. You know what? I think I hear Molly. Let's see what she's up to today. Oh, Molly, you're shaking. Are you okay? Yuck! My favorite shirt is all wet. Well, what happened? I was eating my snack, the water spilled, and it got my shirt all wet. The others just laughed at me, too. Molly, it's hard when your shirt gets wet and others laugh at you. How do you think Molly is feeling? Yeah, you might have noticed that her body was trembling and her voice sounded really upset. So if you think she's feeling mad, you're right. Yes, I'm mad. It feels yucky to have my shirt all wet. Yeah, a wet shirt is uncomfortable. Feeling mad is uncomfortable too. Feeling mad can make your body feel hot and tight. Does your body feel like that? Yeah, sometimes when I get mad, my stomach kind of feels like it's doing flip-flops inside. How else do you feel? My face feels hot and tight. Yeah, I could see that. Sometimes your face might feel hot and tight, your body starts to tremble, your stomach could start to hurt. So it's okay to feel mad or angry, Molly. Even though it feels uncomfortable inside, everyone feels angry sometimes. But you know what is great? Even though you feel mad, you did not say any mean things or hurt anyone that was laughing at you. Good job. Would you like me to help you dry your shirt? Yes, please. Okay, I'll help you dry your shirt and I'll talk to you later. Thank you. All right. So we just saw that Molly was having some really strong feelings that made her feel uncomfortable because she was upset or angry or feeling mad because she had water spilled all over her and everyone laughed. And you know what? It's okay to feel angry, but the best part is that Molly knew how to handle her anger. She didn't take it out on anyone who laughed at her, and she didn't hurt anyone. She didn't say any mean words, but she did say how she felt. So we're going to sing another verse of our song where we're thinking about what you might say or do when you have a certain feeling. And so for angry, we're going to say, if you're angry and you know it, stomp your feet. Or if you're angry and you know it, say, I'm mad. If you're angry and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're angry and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're angry and you know it, then your body surely shows it. If you're angry and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're angry and you know it, say, I'm mad, I'm mad. If you're angry and you know it, say, I'm mad, I'm mad. If you're angry and you know it, then your mouth should surely show it. If you're angry and you know it, say, I'm mad, I'm mad. Very good. So far, we have learned about a lot of different feelings. We've learned about feeling happy, feeling sad, surprised, and uncomfortable feelings like feeling scared and feeling angry. In our next video, we'll learn a little bit more about feeling angry. So I'll see you soon.